neighbors, fellow contestants, ladies and gentlemen, I am Wong Khai Shen, and I would like to tell you a story entitled The Lost Needle. Long ago, a mother hen was pecking for food. He kept pecking in the same place. An eagle sat on the tree and looked at her. "Why are you doing this?" asked the eagle. The hen replied, "I can't fly." "Borrow my golden needle and sew your wings with it," said the eagle, and then flew away. While sewing, the golden needles fell to the ground. The mother hen began to strike the ground frantically to find it. But, however, you couldn't find it anywhere. The next day, the mother hen was still searching. The eagle returned. "Can I have my golden needle back?" asked the eagle. "Actually, I lost it," replied the hen. "Why do you lose it? You could have return my golden needle and if you are," said the eagle angrily, and then flew away. The mother hen began to strike the ground everywhere, but he still could not find it, so he ran away to hide. That's why, even now, hens always scratch the ground and also go to hide when the eagle comes. Thank you.